Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to see Python program to print table of given number. Input for this program will be any number entered by user and we have to create table for that number. So let's start with our program. First open the Visual Studio Code Editor. Now open the file. Select the new file option. Again in that we are going to type a Python program. So select Python file option. Now see, we are going to take any number from user. For that we need to give one variable. So for example, I am giving the n as a variable. N is equal to, I am going to take integer as an input from user. So int, again we are going to use input function because any number enter the text as a enter the number. Now this number will be input from user. Now say we are going to print a table, means we need to use for loop. Write the keyword for I in range. So I is a variable which we are going to use for loop. That's why we have given it. You can give any name. I have given the name to this variable as a variable I. Now see in a range, now we have to provide the range. Suppose I give the range 1 to 11, it will exclude the last number, that is 11 number it will exclude, and it will just consider the 1 to 10 numbers. That's why range should be 1 to 11. Now see automatically it is taking cursor within for loop. So next statement is within for loop. So multiplication, will write the variable mul is equal to, now n is a number entered from user. So n into I variable we have declared for loop. Now press the enter. The statement should be within for loop. Just save the program. If you run this program, click on run Python file option. Now it is showing to enter the number. Enter number from user is as 9 and press the enter. Now it is showing the table for 9. So friends, I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any queries related with this video, you can comment me in comment box. If you really like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe